Understanding plural forms. What is a noun? Nouns name people, places, things, animals, and so forth. Forming the plural version of nouns is not difficult, but there are several rules to consider in writing the plural forms. Plural nouns are formed by adding s or es. This rule doesn't apply for several cases. Here are the plural nouns rules. Number 1. For regular nouns, just add s. For example, 1 car, 2 cars, 1 dog, 2 dogs, 1 book, 2 books, 1 house, 2 houses, 1 apple, 2 apples. Number 2. For nouns ending in s, sh, ch, x, or z, add es. For example, 1 bus, 2 buses, 1 match, 2 matches, 1 dish, 2 dishes, 1 box, 2 boxes, 1 quiz, 2 quizzes. Number 3. Nouns ending in f or fe. Remove f or fe and add bes. For example, 1 leaf, 2 leaves, 1 wolf, 2 wolves, 1 life, 2 lives, 1 knife, 2 knives. Remember, we have exceptions. Roof, roofs, cliff, cliffs. For nouns ending in vowel plus y, just add s. Examples: 1 day, 2 days, 1 key, 2 keys, 1 boy, 2 boys, 1 guy, 2 guys, 1 donkey, 2 donkeys. Nouns ending in consonant plus y, remove the y and add ies. Examples: 1 city, 2 cities, 1 baby, 2 babies, 1 story, 2 stories, 1 party, 2 parties, 1 country, 2 countries. For nouns ending in vowel plus o, add s. 1 suit, 2 suits, 1 radio, 2 radios, 1 stereo, 2 stereos, 1 video, 2 videos, 1 kangaroo, 2 kangaroos. For nouns ending in consonant plus o, add es. 1 hero, 2 heroes, 1 echo, 2 echoes, 1 tomato, 2 tomatoes, 1 potato, 2 potatoes. We have exceptions here. For example, piano, pianos. Photo, photos. Some nouns don't change. 1 sheep, 2 sheep. 1 deer, 2 deer. 1 fish, 2 fish. 1 series, 2 series. 1 species, 2 species. For irregular nouns, follow no specific rules. They are different. 1 man, 2 men. 1 child, 2 children. 1 foot, 2 feet. 1 tooth, 2 teeth. 1 mouse, 2 mice. 1 person, 2 people. Well, the rules for creating plural nouns are easy to understand. With practice, forming plural nouns will become easier for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow us in our social media. See you soon!